on, guys? Today I'm going to be installing this high torque SVE mini starter from LMR into the 66 Mustang. Stay tuned. First thing you want to do is disconnect the battery. And of course, use the biggest wrench you can. Alright, I'm under the car. And there is that old piece of crap. Don't work. Normal Ford starter. I got an extension here with a 14 mil. Here's the old starter. I replaced it because I ran the car for a few minutes, and after that, it has long tube headers, and after that, the starter just wouldn't turn. It'd get hot, you know, typical Ford starter stuff. That's why I put that SVE starter from Fox Body in it. Good price, and they work great. Alright, now I'm back up top. I ran the trigger wire alongside the starter wire. Now I need to take the starter power wire off and move it to this side, and then put the trigger wire on this side. Now, LMR gave me a really long lead. I mean, it's for a Fox Body, so I'm going to trim this to fit this and put an eyelet on this. Alright, I got it all hooked up. Sounds great. Alright guys, that's it for the starter install. Like, share, subscribe, and follow me through to get this thing done. Thanks.